The Worcester Bosch Greenstar Heatslave is the most popular oil combi boiler in the UK. It's available in a range of outputs that meet the heating and hot water needs of homes of all sizes. The smart, modern design means it fits right in underneath a standard kitchen worktop. The controls are hidden away in a drawer and are easy to operate, giving you precise control over your heating and hot water. It also works with a wide range of optional controls for even greater comfort and efficiency. The Greenstar Heatslave can help you cut your heating bills with its Eco Hot Water mode too. So, if you are looking for an efficient and powerful combi boiler, the UK's most popular oil combi boiler is the one for you. The Greenstar Heatslave.